Welcome students, I am Adlin Lebinsha, lecturer of Human Research College of Pharmacy. Today topic is IUPAC nomenclature. First we see the definitions of IUPAC and nomenclatures. Let's go to the topic. IUPAC nomenclature means this is a method of naming the organic compounds as recommended by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC full form is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. That is the abbreviations of IUPAC. IUPAC headquarters is located in USA. What is meant by IUPAC nomenclature means naming the organic compound. The organic compound is named. That naming process is the IUPAC nomenclature. Next we see the IUPAC system for nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature of organic chemistry is a systematic method of naming organic chemical compounds. Systematic method naming the organic chemical compound as recommended by IUPAC. Every possible organic compound should have its name. Every possible organic compound should have the name according to the number of rules. In IUPAC nomenclature have many rules. That rules helpful for naming the organic compounds. Next, the IUPAC chart we see. IUPAC nomenclature is divided into three: prefix, word root, suffix. Prefix means again divided into two: secondary prefix and primary prefix. First, secondary prefix is identified in the suitable organic compounds. Substituents or branches are contains alkyl group. Alkyl group means example methyl, ethyl, nitro, nitroso. Halogen groups are included in the secondary prefix. Chloro, bromo, iodo, fluoro. Next, the primary prefix cyclo, sectura, spiro, bicyclo, that's are included. Next, second one, word root. Word root means number of carbon present in the main chains. One carbon means meth, two carbon means eth, three carbon means prop, four carbon means but, five carbon means pent, six carbon means hex, seven carbon kept, eight carbon oct, 9 carbon non, 10 carbon dec, 11 carbon undec, 12 carbon dudec. Next, third one, suffix. Suffix is divided into primary suffix and secondary suffix. First one, primary suffix. Primary suffix means number of carbon bond in main chain. Carbon single bond carbon means alkane. Carbon double bond carbon means alkene. Carbon triple bond carbon is alkyne. Secondary suffix means the functional groups are present in this compound. These functional groups are added in the naming the IUPAC nomenclature. Secondary prefix, suffix, functional group. What are the functional groups are? Alcohol means OL, aldehyde means AL, ketone means ONE, carboxylic acid means oic acid, amide means CONH2, amide. Ether means alkaloxy alkane, amine means amine. This is the IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC is nomenclature is established 1919. For naming the organic compounds, how do name the IUPAC nomenclature for organic compounds means organic compounds how எப்படி நம்ம நேமிங் கொடுக்கலான்னா secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus word root plus second primary suffix and secondary suffix. Again I repeated IUPAC nomenclature rules is secondary prefix first, second one primary prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. This is the prefix. Secondary prefix, infix means primary prefix, word root primary suffix, secondary suffix. Rules of nomenclature. First rule is naming organic compounds alkanes based on IUPAC nomenclature. First one, longest chain rule. Identify longest carbon-carbon chain and name the branch alkanes as derivative of a parent alkane containing this chain. Examples of long chain rule means the longest parent chain has any branch chain. The branch chain, the third, three method. 3-methylhexane. Second one, numbering of carbon atom in a chain. Numbering starts from the end, which gives the lowest number to the carbon atom carrying the substance. In organic compounds, the substance present in the main chain, any one of the carbon atom main chain. The main chain, the lowest carbon atom carrying the substance. That place start the numbering and to end. 3-methylhexane example. Fourth one, when branches are equidistant from both end of longest chain and their another substituent in the middle, we begin numbering from the end of the chain where the middle substituent is closer to answer the lowest possible number in the IUPAC name. Example, CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3. Three substances are present. Next one, numbering of carbon atom in a chain. Numbering starts from the end, which gives the lowest number of carbon atom carrying the substituents. For example, 2-methylhexane. The second portion is substituents present methyl, so that that closer carbon atom starting the numbering. Next one, when two or more identical groups are present, indicate by the use of prefix di, tri, tetra, etc. Commas are used to separate position number from each other. When two or more identical groups are present, we use the prefix di, tri, tetra, etc. Commas are included. For example, 2, 4, 7 trimethyl octane. In the structure, we second portion, fourth portion, seventh portion have the substituents methyl. So 2, 4, 7 trimethyl octane is named. Prefix 2 means di, 3 means tri, 4 means tetra, 5 means penta, 6 means hexa, 7 means kepta, 8 means octo, 9 means nono, 10 means deca. Next one, naming different substituents. If more than one substituent is present, then the substituents are arranged in alphabetic order for their names with the hyphen in between. One or more substituents present in the main chain, we use alphabetically written in naming. For example, 4-ethyl 2-methylhexane. The second portion and fourth portion have the substituents. One is ethyl, one is methyl. Ethyl, methyl have two are substituents, alkyl group. So that two are same substituents but different. Same substituent, different naming. But we write the substituents alphabetical order. First one ethyl and second one methyl. 4-ethyl 2-methylhexane. Alkane structure, butane, pentane. Butane carbon containing butane 4 carbons are present. The hydrogen containing 1 carbon containing hydrogens are 4. Pentane means containing carbon 5. Alkane with one branch, 2-methylpentane. The second portion in pentane main chain have, so 2-methylpentane. Second one, 3-ethylhexane. The third portion have ethyl group, so 3-ethylhexane. Alkane with 2 branches means CH3, CH, CH, CH2, CH2. Second and third portion have methyl, so dimethyl we add, so 2, 3, dimethylpentane. Second one, 3-ethyl 2-methylpentane. Third portion and second portion have methyl, ethyl. First, so we write alphabetical order. First alphabetical order is ethyl and second one methyl. So 3-ethyl 2-methylpentane. Alkenes. Alkenes means double bonds. Double bond means example pen-2-ene. The second portion we have double bond, so pen-2-ene. Second one hex-1-ene. First portion we have the double bond, so ene alkene. So hex-1-ene. Alkenes with branches. The alkene compounds We have the fourth portion, have the ethyl hexonin. Alkene with branches. In first and third portion, we have the double bond 2. And the fourth portion have the ethyl. So first we write the prefix for ethyl hex 1, 3 diene. Two double bonds are have, so we write the UPC compound for diene. Alkane means triple bond, prop 1 in. Wine. First portion we have the double bond. Second example, the second portion we have triple bond. So hex 6 carbon present, so hex. Second portion we have the triple bond, so 2 wine. Aromatic hydrocarbons means formulas 3C6H6 benzene ring and the bonding. Benzene is the example of aromatic hydrocarbons. Today we see the IUPAC nomenclature. First we see the definitions of IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature means naming the organic compound. IUPAC International Union of Poor and Applied Chemistry is established in 1919. Headquarters of IUPAC is in USA. And see the classifications. IUPAC nomenclature prefix, word root, suffix. Prefix secondary, primary, and word root number of carbon present in main chain. Suffix primary, secondary, primary types of carbon bonds, and secondary means functional groups. Next we see the rules of nomenclature. Longest chain rule, numbering of the carbon atom. When branches are equal distance from both ends of the longest chain and there are another substance in the middle, we begin numbering from the end of the chain where the middle substance is closest to ensure the lowest possible number in the IUPAC name. Numbering of carbon atoms. When two or more identical groups are present, indicate this by the use of the prefix di, tri, tetra, etc. Commas are used to separate position number from each other. For example, 2, 4, 7 trimethyl octane. Naming different substituents means write the alphabetic order. And alkanes example, alkane with one branch example, alkanes with two branch examples, alkenes compounds, alkene with branches organic compound, alkenes with branches, alkynes, and aromatic hydrocarbons. Thank you.